Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's check. Okay, your person's emotion, feelings ngayong paparating na week. Siyempre, pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po. Okay? Kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magma-message. And yeah, don't forget to follow. Okay? Pasensya na po ha. Oo, sa aking boses dahil maaga pa. O, diba? Okay, so okay. All signs. Feelings, emotions, yan. Ni person mo. Ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so kung mayroon pang mga ibang tanong po, ha, message na lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Pagdating dito sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, okay? So, ito si love bracelet. Yan, okay, so yan, nabuhol sila. So, ito si love bracelet, yes, for singles and may mga sidecar, no? Na may conflict. Okay, so yan, nagkabuhol-buhol na nga. Okay, ito yung grantor natin. So, ito yun ha. Sa mga nagtatanong, ano po itsura ni grantor, ito po siya. Ha? Okay, so yan. Diba? Nice. Okay, so yeah, message na lang. Okay po. Para hindi natin isa-isahin ito. Okay. So, lahat naman is available. Pero, yung ating grantor and yung love bracelet is made to order. Okay. So, yeah. Let's start. Let's start the reading. So, okay. Aries, their emotions, feelings, okay, ng person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. You can check your sun, moon, rising, and Venus, okay, and the North Node. Okay, Aries, the Ace of Cups. Some of you, this is a new person. Yeah. Nagkakaroon ng progress. Opo, nagkakaroon ng progress. Some of you, okay, if you're single and watching, okay, kasi iba dito, nakikichismis lang, diba? Kung ikaw, single na Aries, okay, I'm seeing you, pwedeng magta-travel ka ngayong week, may pupuntahan ka lang, pwedeng may new connection na dumating by this week for you if you're single. Okay? At nakikichismis ka lang. Sa buhay ng mga Aries, no? Okay? So, yeah. Sa may mga kakonect nga, no? At gustong makita ano bang emosyon, nakakuha kong energy rito na pwedeng merong magbabago. Okay? Meron ditong parang mag-upgrade. Okay? Meron ditong parang, napaka-unusual ha. Parang gano'n, napaka-unusual naman nito. May sakit ka ba? parang ganyan ha. Oo, may mababago. Okay? Yung pagbabago is paganda naman. Okay? Kasi, yun nga, pwedeng sabihin natin, hindi kayo sanay sa ganon. Okay? Sa mga ganong paparamdam, ipapakita ng person. Okay? See, the King of Wands. Okay, si King of Wands, may chance na there's a lot of passion ngayong week pagdating sa'yo, diba? The King of Cups. Yeah, the love. Some of you may chance na same gender kayo, babae, lalaki. Okay, so kung ano ba ang gender. Okay, so let's see. Kuha tayo ng oracle. Okay, what is their heart's hidden secret? Okay, for you, Aries. Their heart's hidden secret ngayong week. See? Ecstasy. 10 to 10 to 10. Ano ba? Ecstasy. 10 to 10. No. Chasing thrills, excitement, and good time. No, diba? This is nice. Beauty, charming, graceful, kind-hearted. Diba? Yeah. Yun ang nakukuha ko for you. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Aries. Okay, so next is Taurus. Okay, Taurus placements. Yan. Ano ba ang emosyon, feelings ni person na iniisip mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo? Tingnan natin. Okay. Yeah, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Taurus. Their feelings, the Knight of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng yayain ka nitong lumabas, mag-date. Okay. The Knight of Wands. The Seven of Swords. Some of you, there's this person na pwedeng ginugusto ka nang hindi mo alam. Ha? Okay, may ganun. Oo. Pero, kung meron kayong connection ng taong ito, meron dito ako nakikitang, gusto kanyang makita, kung meron kayong separation or, long distance, okay? Gusto ka nitong makita, gusto ka nitong makasama, okay? Some of you, kung meron talaga ditong hiwalayan, ang nakukuha ko rito is, nandyan pa rin siya, no? Okay? Hindi ito nalayo. Yes. And, nag-i-stalk. Okay? Nag-i-stalk tong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. I don't know kung bakit hindi sila gumagawa ng action. Okay? So, yeah. Let's see. Anong meron? Pero, ang pinakamalakas dito is meron gumugusto sa'yo na patago, palihim. Okay? So, Taurus. Okay. Karma. Consequences, cause and effects, deaths. Okay, so yes. I think, I'm seeing na itong energy na to is pwede doon sa may past, no? Doon sa may tawag dyan, separate mo. Okay? Some of them kasi they still like you. Kaya sila nandyan pa rin. Okay? So, maybe the grass wasn't greener on the other side. So, that is why nandyan sila still lurking, o diba, still being sneaky, parang ganyan. Nagtatry na tumingin-tingin kung ano bang meron sa iyo, no? So, siguro for them, sa kanilang sitwasyon, no, na wala ka, hindi okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. See? Hopeless. Sinking, despair, and falling apart. Yeah. Kawawa naman. Diba? Kawawa ba, Taurus? I don't know. Yeah, parang gusto kong makita. Yeah, looking for you. Kahit saan, some of them, pinupuntahan yung mga lugar na pwedeng pinupuntahan ninyo noon. Trying na, baka sakali, makita ka doon, mga ganyan. Okay? So, there. Bakit ganito ako mag-read? Hindi ako ganito mag-read, eh. Okay. So, next, Gemini. Okay. Gemini. Okay, let's see. Gemini placements. Ano ba ang emosyon, feelings ni person na iniisip mo pagdating sa'yo? Gemini. 2 cards and kukuha tayo ng isang oracle. Or 2. Maybe. Okay. Gemini. Their feelings for you. The Judgment in reverse. Oh, some of you, pwedeng Scorpio to, ha? Okay. Judgment in reverse. Why? The Knight of Wands. Again, the Knight of Wands. Oh no. Gemini, ang nakuha ko sa taong to, meron ditong separation, okay? They're trying na talagang lumayo na. Okay? Lumayo, pwedeng if na-focus na sa ibang mga bagay, no? Yung attention niya, oras niya, kung ano man. Okay, the Knight of Wands, they're out there dating with other people, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Wands out there dating. The Nine of Swords. Woo! Siguro, damang-dama pa rin itong taong to, no? Yung, I don't know, some of you, iniiwasan mo na siya. Or talagang no choice na lang si person na to, no? Na ganito na lang talaga ang kailangan niyang gawin. Something, may ibinibigay ka ditong confusion. Okay? May ibinibigay ka sa kanyang stress. Kahit hindi mo alam. Kahit sabihin niyo, ay wala pong stress yan, player yan. Yeah, meron. Okay? Nakuha niya yun nung ikaw ay nag-back out. Nag-step back. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Meron ditong sumuko. Okay? Meron ditong sumuko dahil napagod na. Yes. So, ngayon, naghahanap itong taong to na nang sabihin natin, pwedeng kumomfort sa kanya. Pero, yung kanyang isip is nasa sayo. Yes. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng oracle. For you, Gemini, ano ba ang emosyon ng person na to? What is their heart's hidden secrets pagdating sa'yo? Healing, releasing, purifying, and cleansing. So, diba? It's like, okay, wala na akong magagawa, so kailangan ko lang din gawin to. They're not healed, actually. So, for them, maybe yung pakikipag-connect sa iba is makakatulong, no, para sa paglimot, the Judgment in reversed. Okay? See? Only you. Yeah, I told you. Kahit meron tong makaka-connect, ikaw pa rin ang nasa isip. Okay? Anyway. Okay, so next. Next is Cancer. Okay. So, Cancer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, Cancer, what is their true emotions, feelings ngayong week towards you? Syempre. Okay. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, North Node. Okay. Some of them, they feel the sabihin nating missed opportunity. Okay? A missed opportunity. I don't know why. Ikaw yung parang wish nila na hindi nila makuha-kuha. Like that. Why the Nine of Cups in reversed? Why? The Eight of Swords. They're stuck. Confused. Some of them talagang nagagalit, naiinis sila. I don't know kung saan, sitwasyon, tao, kung ano man. You're stuck. Hindi pa to nakaka-let go, hindi pa to nakaka-move on kung may separation na nangyari. If this is a new person, nagagalit sila. No? Sabihin nating nayayamot. No? Bakit hindi kanya makuha? Parang ganun. Okay, so let's see. They like you. Yeah, this person likes you. They love you maybe because of the Eight of Cups. No, the Nine of Cups. This is a missed opportunity with you. Yeah, they're feeling a missed opportunity. Yeah. Okay, so what is their heart's hidden secrets? Pagdating sa'yo, Cancer, pwedeng water, pwedeng air. Fantasy. Yeah. So maybe for them, ang pakikipag-connect sa'yo is just fantasy, no? Parang hindi sure kung makukuha or what, diba? Yeah, daydreaming, imagining, fantasize. Okay? Again, meron din na gantong energy, hopeless, sinking, despair, falling apart. Nakakayamot nga to, no? Diba? Fantasy tas hopeless. Yeah, yung feeling niya is parang, makukuha ko ba to? Para siyang nagkikrave sa'yo, cancer. Okay? Kung past person to, parang hopeless na, parang hindi na mangyayari na maging kami ulit, whatsoever. They're stuck. Okay? Feeling stuck pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. So, there. Okay. Next is Leo. Okay, so Leo. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so Leo. Ano bang emosyon, feelings ni person mo ngayon? Ngayong week, pagdating sa'yo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and North Node. Okay, the Knight of Cups. Someone, pwedeng gusto niya mag-take action. Some of them, gusto nilang puntahan ka. Okay, wanting to make an offer. Knight of Cups, please. What's this? Oh, the Five of Wands. Meron ako dito magpo-pursue by next week. Okay? Meron ako dito nakikitang may gagawa ng aksyon. Pinaka-specific dito, no? Pero sobrang liit ng porsyento is meron ditong ilalaban ka. Ipaglalaban ka. Pero napakaliit nun. Napakaliit pero may ganong energy. Okay? This person likes you. Some of you, I'm seeing here, SEX. Okay, having SEX this week. Yeah. Kung meron kayong arguments ng taong to, makikipagayos to. Gusto nila makipagayos. Okay? Hindi pa rin nila pababayaan, actually, itong connection na meron kayo. Leo, what is their hidden, the heart's hidden secrets ng taong yan? Anong meron? Yeah, foundation, established, family, security. See? So, parang merong i-fix. Okay? Lalo na kung meron kayong anak, meron kayong family na sarili. Okay? Kuha pa tayong isa. What else? Yeah, clarity, truth, intention, and honesty. So, yeah. Mayroon pang only you sa ilalim. Okay, so merong mga sabihin nating energy maganda pagdating sa connection ninyo by this week. Okay? Yeah. Devoted, attached, crave. Yeah. May mga gagawa ng action, may mga magpo-pursue. Okay? Yeah, may magbibigay ng kanilang mga intentions, no? Truth. Okay, ito 'yun. The Knight of Cups. Okay? So, some of you, itong taong to, tingin lang, daming challenge. Pero yes, gagawin pa rin nila yan. Go pa rin nila. Like, go! So, yeah, ayaw nila tong maging miss opportunity na lang. Okay, kung anong meron sa inyo, ayaw nila yon. Okay, so there. Next, Virgo. So, Virgo, what is their feelings, emotions, pagdating sa'yo next week? Okay, let's check Virgo placements. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so Virgo. Okay, the Page of Swords in reverse. Some of them, they're stalking you, looking for you somewhere. Okay, Page of Swords in reverse. Finding. Oh, the Empress. They'll find you someone na pwedeng attractive. Okay. Someone is Sabihin natin may nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng makikita ng taong tong ang importansya mo by next week. Importansya, value, worth. Hahanapin ka nitong taong to, Virgo. Hinahanap ka niya. Okay? Lagi kang iniisip. Some of you, makakaramdam sila ng strong connection or deep connection with you by next week. Okay? Some of you may age gap. Huge age gap. Like 20s. Yeah. Pwedeng siya 20s, ikaw 40s. Like that. Anyway, hindi yun para sa lahat ha. Okay. So, Virgo, ano pa ang kanilang heart's hidden secrets? Okay. So, nandyan yung pag-crave, nandyan yung paghahanap sa'yo. Okay, so what else? Virgo. Okay, yeah, see? Resistance, secret admirer, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, iba sa inyo may mga nagkaka-crush. Yeah, secret admirer, suppressing, timid. Okay, yeah. And nakakuha ko ng energy rito, no? Kung wala kayong connection or communication sa ngayon, andyan yung stock lang ng sila ng stock. Okay? Stock lang ng stock. Yeah, see, lost, grief, depression. I don't know. Parang hinahanap-hanap ka nito eh. What else? So there's resistance. Bluff, pretending, mask, exaggeration. Okay, some of you, this person will sabihin natin magpe-pretend na parang wala silang pakialam. Okay, parang hindi ka nila pinapansin, pero hindi totoo yun. They are silent. Yeah, they are silent, pero talaga I don't know, kahit meron ditong distansya or gap, yeah, nandoon yung pag-admire sa'yo ng taong to, pagkagusto. Okay? Yeah. Ipapakita kasi nila is parang wala silang pakialam because yeah, the Page of Swords is here in reverse. Parang ito yung parang mawawala. Okay? Parang wala siyang ipapakita kung ano. Yeah. Parang walang pakialam in general. Okay? So there. Okay. So next. Okay, Libra. Okay, Libra. So, yeah. Okay. Emotion, feelings ni person mo by next week. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay. So, syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe bago tayong bumunot. Okay, Libra. Libra placements, emotion niya. The Star in reversed. Why the Star in reversed? The Four of Swords in reversed. Being hopeless. They want to talk actually. Seven of Swords. Some of them, they're being sneaky. Okay? The Star in reverse is being hopeless sa kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? Depende yan kung anong meron. Pero this person wants to talk. Wants to communicate. Wanting to communicate maybe. See, the Eight of Wands, communication card. This person, yeah, wanting to reach out. Pero, the Star in reverse, energy na parang, paano? Ano kayang mangyayari? Parang wala agad, like hopeless agad. Yeah. The Nine of, maybe, some of you, sabihin natin, yeah, meron pang Ace of Cups, oh. Okay, this person likes you though. Yeah. They want to commit. Pero parang negative agad eh. Yung iniisip ng taong to. Pwedeng aqua, pwedeng air sign like you. Okay? They're thinking of you. Yeah. thinking of you, wanting to talk, wanting to communicate. Okay? So, kuha tayo. Heart's hidden secrets. I think, eto some of you may chance na this is not for all, okay? May nakuha akong energy rito na pwedeng gumawa ito ng paraan, okay? Gumawa ng paraan para may ma-fix sa sitwasyon. Okay? Meron siyang gagawin. Yeah. Okay? So, iniisip ka niya. Isip. Hindi ka pa na nakakalimutan. Libra, heart's hidden secrets. Oo, ng person na yan. Anong meron? Time, yeah. Waiting, cycle, moments. I don't know. Some of them, they will just, sabihin natin parang maghihintay ng tamang timing. Okay? Kaya, yeah. What else? Maybe the times wasn't right. Like, diba? The time is not timing. Okay. O, tingnan natin. Ano pa? Oh my God. Conflicted. Yeah, decisions, hot and cold, multiple choices. They're conflicted. Yeah, beauty. This person likes you. Yeah. Sabi ko nga kanina, 'di ba, may kanya-kanyang dahilan kung bakit parang feeling niya is hopeless, parang ganun. Okay, divine feminine. There's this energy na pwedeng strong yung nararamdaman niya for you. Okay? So, conflicted. Some of you may chance ng third party involvement here. So, tatiming lang itong taong to para gumawa ng aksyon or para makipag-usap sa'yo. I don't know kung anong iniintay nila. Okay? So, yeah, there. Yun ang akin nakuha for you. They want commitments. Yeah, they want commitments. Okay. Next, Scorpio. Yeah, Scorpio placements. So, what is their true emotions and feelings pagdating sa'yo? Some of you, they're confused. Someone's option is open. Okay. So, anong meron? Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe bago tayo bumunot. Okay, Scorpio placements. What is their true emotions? Oh, the Empress. Okay. And the Page of Wands in reversed. What? Okay, this person likes you. Okay, yeah, they like you. They're feeling invested. They're just waiting, sitting, waiting, wanting to get your attention by next week. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Feeling intimidated. Why the Page of Wands? Let's see. Why? Anong meron dito sa Page of Wands? Some of you have this huge age gap. Okay, Page of Wands. Please, universe. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa isang environment. Okay? Some of you, may energy dito ng gusto kanya na pwedeng ito kukuha ito ng tulong from other people para makuha yung attention mo next week, Scorpio. Okay? Ayoko munang tumingin sa third party here. Ayoko. Okay? I'm getting the energy na pwedeng this is help through other people. Okay? Through connections. Gagawa siya ng paraan para makuha yung attention mo by next week, I guess. Yeah. I don't care if this is a past or new person. Okay? They're into you. They like you. Meron ditong energy na gusto nilang i-uplift, hindi. Energy na pwedeng gustong i-level up, like i-upgrade. Parang ganun. Okay? So, there's planning. There's plan. Meron ditong paghahanda talaga. Ako nakikita. So, anong meron? What is their heart's hidden secret for you, Scorpio? Okay, their heart's hidden secret for you, Scorpio. Obsession. Yeah. Yes. Infatuation, adoration, addiction. Yeah, this person likes you. Yun nga no, sa sobrang gusto ka, pwedeng gumawa na ng plano or sabihin nating humingi na ng tulong sa ibang tao para makuha lang yung attention mo, like that. Some of you, may anak kayo nito. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah. They're obsessed sa beauty, mga pababae, mga palalaki, kung ano man ang gender. Okay? Yeah, apology, forgiveness, return, or sorry, and sorry. Yeah. So, siguro, kung meron kayong conflict nitong taong to, no, sa tingin ko, pwedeng makikipagayos itong taong to by next week. Yeah, there's conflicts here. Okay? Kung nakagawa sa'yo to, and I think, ang nakuha kong energy ng pagkakamali dito is sobrang liit lang naman. Okay? Yeah, there's stress. There's stress. Okay? So, yun nga, pwede may mga pinaghahandaan itong taong to pagdating ng next week para maisaayos kung ano man ang meron. Okay? So, there. Okay. Next. Sagittarius. Okay. So, Sag. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Ano bang emosyon? Okay. Feelings ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before tayo bumunot ng card. Okay. So, Sag. Okay. Sagittarius placements, their feelings, emotions ngayong week for you. Oh, the Empress in reversed. Why the Empress in reversed? Oh, whoa! Oh my golly, the Four of Cups in reverse. Sobrang laki ng panghihinayang niya, Sag. Sobrang laki. Can't find someone like you. Yan ang naririnig ko. Can't find someone like you. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. They want you back. They want to make a return maybe. Okay? Sobrang laki ng panghihinayang. Ito yung energy ng miss opportunity, feeling miss opportunity. Okay? Yeah. Depende sa taong to kung gagawa siya ng action by next week, because some of them, they're in crossroads. They're in a crossroads. Okay? Meron ditong separation for some of you. No talkings, yeah. You're in no contact maybe. Yeah. See, there's energy ng merong gustong gumawa ng pakikipagayos, merong gustong magbigay ng peace offering, like that. Okay? So, I think, gusto ka pa ng taong to kung may separation dito. Okay? Kung pinagpalit ka nito, sabihin natin hindi maganda yung naipalit. Okay? So, let's see. Anong meron sa kanilang hearts? Secret, oh. Hearts, what is their heart's hidden secret? Pagdating sa'yo, Sag. Their heart's hidden secret. Oh, anong person mo? Let's shuffle. Their heart's hidden secrets for Sagittarius. Okay. Heart's hidden secret. Boundaries. Feeling talaga nito, kaya ganyan eh. Kaya parang panghihinayang. So maybe talagang tinalikuran mo, nilayuan mo. You say no. Okay? Sa taong yan. Drawing the line, enough. Like that. Soulmates. Okay. Feeling nila parang wala na. Parang ganyan. Kaya ganito ang naramdaman nila. The Four of Cups in reverse. Parang panghihinayang. Okay. Okay. Family, fertility, parenthood, pregnancy. Yeah. So siguro, ganito yung gusto nilang mangyari. Ganyan. Kissing the belly. Mga ganon. Mga ganyang kakimihan. So, yeah, the Empress in reverse is actually energy ng pregnancy. Some of you may chance na pwedeng may anak kayo nito. Okay? And ayaw niya na magkaroon ng boundaries pagdating dyan. Okay? So, kung sabihin natin sa tingin ninyo matagal na to, feeling nila malaki yung nawala sa kanila. Okay? Feeling nila yon. Yeah, see? Abandoned. Left out, walked away, cold. Okay? So, there. Kawawa. Anyway, sana gumawa siya ng action, no? Kung recent lang to. Okay? Para maging okay na kayo. Miss opportunity. Okay, next. Capricorn. Nakakuha ko ng bulong na family potential. I don't know. Wife material. Husband material. So, I don't know. Pwedeng kay Sag or kay Capricorn yun. Okay? So, hi! Capricorn placements. Okay. So, what is their emotions? Feelings ngayong week pagdating sa iyo? Let's see. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Capricorn, kailangan ko pang isa pang shuffle. Capricorn, feelings and emotion nila ngayong week. The Sun. Happy? They want to see you? Okay. Why the Sun? What's with this Sun? The Ace of Swords. Wow. Some of you, I'm getting here a good communication. Back and forth, maybe. Back and forth communication. Bato ka ng mensahe by next week. Okay, some of you, you'll get clarity from this person. This person wants to talk. This person wants to see you. Okay, they want to see you. They want to talk. Some of you, they're looking sa picture mo online. Yeah. They miss you. Ang dami, no? Yeah. Okay. They want you. Yeah, this person likes you. This person loves you, maybe. Okay. Energy rin ito ng parang merong something na parang nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay. Yeah, wife material, husband material, the Ace of Swords. Okay, like sure. I'm sure. Parang ganon. Some of you, may chance talaga na pwedeng makakuha ka ng mensahe from this person by next week. Kung sino man yan. Pwedeng Leo, pwedeng air sign. Anyway, this could be any sign. Okay? Yeah. Ooh. Kung wala kayong connection nito, or kung wala kayong communication, they're bitter. They're bitter. Yeah. Death. They want to reconnect. They want to reconnect. See? Husband, wife, material. They see you as someone na pwedeng yun nga gusto ka na lang I think there's this realization coming from this person. Okay, by next week. Doon mamumulat yung mata. Doon magigising. Claim yun kasi ng mga nandoon sa mga ganong parte. Yung kailangan magising, diba? Okay, anyway. Okay. So, maraming marirealize yung taong to pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Okay. So, what else? Okay. So, what is their heart's hidden secrets? What is their heart's hidden secrets? Pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn. Placements. Okay. Distracted. Sidetracked. Change. Yeah. Delays. I think before, may chance na parang nawala to. No, hindi literal na nawala ha. Para siyang imbis na dumiretso, lumiko. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah. Magulong utak niya before. So, by next week, andyan yung parang magkakaroon na siya ng parang ganon. Sudden. Okay? What else? Heart fog. Yeah. Mixed signals, blocked emotion, messed up. Yeah. Pwedeng ganito yung nangyari sa kanya. Okay? Sa past. So, ngayon, by next week, may chance na, no, na may mangyaring kalinawan. Okay? We have here chemistry and possibilities. Okay? Attraction, spark, passion, free-spirited adventure and risk. Okay? Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Some of you, ito hindi to para sa lahat. Some of you. Meron ditong magsasabi na gusto niya magkaanak. Gusto na niya magkaanak with you. Okay? Only you. Okay. So there. Gutom na ako. Kayo ba? Share ko lang. Okay, next is Aqua. So, hi Aquarius. Okay, so what is there? Emotions. Yeah, true emotions, feelings by next week pagdating sa'yo. Let's see. Okay, Aquarius placements again. Yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe bago tayo bumunot. Okay, Aqua. Aqua. Their feelings, emotions. Okay, confused. There's options. They're choosing. Okay. What's with that 7 of Cups? They're confused. The Magician in reversed. The World in reversed. Okay, so you have here unfinished business with this person, okay? So, kung anong kailangan niyang gawin, hindi niya ginagawa. Kaya ito parang litong-lito. Yeah. Meron kasi siyang kailangan gawin pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo, pero hindi niya ginagawa. Mayroong mga signs sa universe na ibinibigay sa kanya, pero hindi niya yun pinapansin. Okay? So, it's like they're fighting no? Kung ano man yung mga parang ipinapakita ni universe or yung mga sinasabi, yung mga inuutos, parang hindi nila dinidinig, hindi nila sinusunod. Okay, so that's why, yeah, the Seven of Cups, ano kayang meron? Anong meron? Anong? Parang yes, ang dami yan tanong. Gulong-gulo itong taong to. Yeah. Okay. Wala, nagmamatigas to eh. Kasi, yeah. Kung sino man yan, nagmamatigas siya. The Magician in reversed. Pwedeng Virgo. Yeah. I'm seeing here, sabihin natin strong connection ha, with this person. Pero, parang ano eh, hindi ko alam kung talagang hindi lang nila talaga pinapansin. Okay? May feelings to, actually. Pagdating sa'yo. There's something. Pero parang isinasantabi ka ng mga to. Kung sino man to, isinasantabi ka. Inuuna kung anong dapat. Parang, or inuuna kung anong gusto nila. Okay? So yeah, they're fighting the current. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. I don't know if they're feeling afraid or kung ano man. Nagmamarunong. Parang ganon. Anyway, hindi naman tayo open sa mga ganito, no? Pwedeng yes. Nakikita nila. Okay, number synchronicities. Signs. Dreams. Pero, yeah. Ay, wala lang yun. Parang ganon. Okay? Pero, yeah, they feel something. A connection with you. Okay? Some of you, may chance na hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng talagang relationship ng taong to. Okay? Hang on. Okay. So, yeah. So, kuha tayo ng Heart's Hidden Secret. Okay, Oracle. Ano bang meron pagdating dyan sa person na yan? This is deep. Yeah, this is deep. Para siyang tulog. Para siyang nakapikit pa sa sitwasyon. Mahirap to. Yeah. Para siyang may strong connection talaga. Soulmate maybe or twin flame like that. Okay? Okay. Mistakes. Yeah, misunderstood. Victim, lost soul. Yeah, see? Para siyang nawawala eh. Okay? Para siyang, yeah. Misunderstood. So, meron kasi mga ipinapakita talaga, si universe, pero hindi niya naiintindihan yon. Okay? So, ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon is a big mistake. Kung hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng connection ito or, yeah, I mean, connection in general is, sabihin natin, may mali. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng mali dahil hindi niya nakikita. Ang dapat niyang gawin. Okay? Yeah. Nalabanan niya kasi. Ginagawa niya yung gusto niya. Whether bago man ito or past, may mga kailangan gawin to eh. Pero hindi niya ginagawa. Yeah, distracted, sidetrack, change, delays. Kaya hindi matuloy-tuloy kung ano bang dapat mangyari sa inyo. Okay? This is deep. Mahirap to. Siya ang makakakita nito, hindi ikaw. Okay? Maybe they're just too afraid to see, to know. Okay? Oh no. Okay, next. Pisces. Okay, hi Pisces. Pisces placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. North Node. Okay, Pisces. What is there? True emotions, feelings. Okay, by next week, towards you. Pero syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Pisces. Oh, The Ten of Wands. Some of them, they're throwing the white towel. Why? Ito yung energy na parang pasuko na or sumusuko na siya. Why? Anong meron? The Fool in reverse. They're afraid. They're afraid. Maybe, andyan lang yung hindi, parang parang hahayaan na lang nila to, no? Okay? Kung anong meron sa inyo, hahayaan na lang niya. Bibitawan na lang niya kung anong meron. Kasi takot siya mag-take risk. Takot siya makagawa ng isang action na pwedeng may mangyaring hindi maganda sa kanya, like that. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor. Some of them, it's their ego, their pride, mga ganyan. No, yung parang ayokong masaktan if ever kung gagawa ko ng something, mga ganon. Gutom talaga ako. Gutom na ako. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so so yun nga, sabi ko, para siyang hayaan ko na lang to kaysa naman baka ako yung magkamali sa kung anong pwede kong gawin, ako pa yung masaktan, parang ganyan. They're not ready, no, na ma-hurt. Ganun agad yung iniisip nila. Kaya hindi nila pwedeng or hindi nila kayang mag-take risk sa kung anong meron sa sitwasyon. Okay? Let's see. Ano ba? Ano pa? Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Yeah, they're not confident enough. Okay, hindi sila confident enough pagdating dyan. They're guarded. They're guarded. Takot siya actually. So, i-release na lang niya to. Okay, so let's see. Anong meron? What is their heart's hidden secrets? Pagdating sa'yo, Pisces, their heart's hidden secrets. Some of them, they're a big fire sign. Merong big fire sign placement sa kanilang birth chart. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, any sign? Yeah, this could be any sign. Okay. Yeah, boundaries. Drawing the line, enough. See? Okay. What else? Sila yung parang magdadrop nito. Okay, sila yung magdadrop. Okay, I'll get this. Hoping, expecting, faith, manifesting. Okay, so wala silang gagawin actually. Okay, pwedeng siya na lang yung maghihintay na kung ano man pagdating sa'yo sa sitwasyon nyo. Okay, so pwedeng sila na lang yung mag-expect na kung ano from you, manifesting you. Because yeah, they're afraid to take actions, to take a risk. Okay, they will drop this. Yeah, see, return, second chance, opportunity, making amends. But now they're releasing. Yeah, they're releasing, letting go, moving on, walking away. Pero open sila pagdating dyan sa return. Open sila dyan. Okay? Anyway, so gusto kong gumawa ng collectives. Okay, hang on. Okay, so for the collective, so wala akong note ng collective. So all signs. Okay, so this for all signs for the collectives. Okay, so any signs. Tingnan natin what is their true emotions. Okay, so if you're finished na watching your signs, okay, so pwede ka rin makinig dito. Okay. Anyway, so what is their true emotions, feelings by next week? Yeah, pagdating sa'yo. Okay, Let's see. Who is this? Who is this? Okay, the Page of Wands. Wanting to have a new start, fresh start with you. Pwedeng may age gap or someone na younger or same age kayo. May chance na ganon. Okay? Yeah, see? Some of you, they want forgiveness. They want another chance with you. Okay? So, how this person sees you? How do this person sees you? How do they view you? How this person view you? Collectives? Okay, the Two of... He sees you as someone who is a juggler. Okay. Yeah, they see you as someone who is juggling. Okay, so maybe naku-confuse sa'yo itong taong to, I guess. Okay. How do you see this person? Let's see. How do you see this person, collectives? The Four of Cups. Waiting. Kainaman. Yeah, ito pa. The Hangman. You're in a waiting game. Yeah. If you're waiting for this person, yes. They're exactly doing the same thing with you. Sitting, waiting. Okay? Para saan? Sa new, maybe sa new beginning or another chance. Tingnan natin kung anong outcome nyo, ha? Okay? Pagbabalikan. I don't know who. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Yeah, this is a new beginning. I don't know who, kung sino yung mag-reach out dito. Pero yes, the card is saying na may pagbabalikan na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. This person wants another or a new beginning with you. Okay? Yes. Yes. Tingnan natin. So, sa ngayon, naghihintayan kayo nito ng malala, no? I don't know who, kung sino yung gagawa ng first move. Okay? They see you as someone who juggles. So, maybe they see you as someone na pwedeng unsure. So, nag-iisip itong taong to. So, maybe they're the one, no? Na pwedeng gumawa ng action. Maybe. Okay. Let's see. What is their heart's hidden secrets? Collectives. For the collectives. Yeah, this person likes you. Okay. Given na yun. Okay, what else? Okay. Realizations, yeah. Epiphanies, understandings, awakenings. This is nice. Alam nyo, some of you pag to nangyari, pag to bumalik at nagkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos, may leveling up na ako nakikita rito. Okay? Because I see this. I saw this. The Six of Swords. Leveling up. Okay? That's realization. See? Beginnings. Try again. New direction. Start over. Diba? Yeah. Kasi sa ngayon, no? Diba? There's pain. Afraid. Cautious. Yeah, this is your person. Sino man to. This is their feelings towards you, emotions towards you by next week. Okay, so there, so we have here water, fire for the collectives, water, fire, earth. Yeah, this could be any sign naman. Okay, lahat naman ng sign is nandito. Okay. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune, the Three of Swords, and the Devil in reverse. So, meron ng mga pagbabagong mangyayari talaga. Okay? Okay, next week. Claim it if you want to. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!